Everyone talks about doctors, engineers, CAs, and MBAs, but no one tells you about this one career that's recession proof, high paying, and lets you help families plan their dreams. It's called Certified Financial Planner or CFP. And no, you don't need a finance degree to start. What is CFP? CFP stands for Certified Financial Planner. It's a global certification for financial planning, like being the go to money doctor for families and businesses. Imagine your client comes to you with questions like: how should I invest my money? How do I save for my child's education? Do I need insurance or a retirement plan? You become the expert who gives them clarity, confidence, and a plan. Why is it booming in India? In the US, every family has a financial planner. India is catching up fast. Salaries are rising, investment options are growing, people want to plan better, save tax, and retire early. But there's a big problem: not enough trained planners. That's where you come in. You don't need an MBA or fancy degree. If you have completed 12th, you can start. Whether you are a student, commerce graduate, or someone in insurance or banking, this is your door to a premium career. So let us dive deep into what is CFP, what are the various modules that are covered, and how many exams a person has to clear to become a CFP. So let's get started. So let us understand what are the various different aspects of Certified Financial Planner, that is CFP course. It is actually a financial planning of your clients. It is an essential service, and it should be called as a live service that you provide to your clients. Okay, every family needs financial planner in today's day and age, and in India the trend is or at boom, and trusted advisors are something that are not there in the market. That is where CFPs come into the picture, and CFP profession gets a lot of credibility. Now let us understand what is the role of a financial planner. The role of the financial planner is to understand the client goals and needs. Okay, any kind of investment that you suggest will be based on certain goals, certain needs of the client. Then on the basis of that, CFP actually creates a customized plan based on the needs, and he also helps the client with all the different products related to insurance, investment, retirement, taxes, and much more. Now let us understand what is the CFP course basics. So it is a certified financial planner, globally recognized certification course, and it is certified by FPSB, that is the organization who gives the certificate. Now let us understand what is eligibility criteria. The best part is, even if you are a 12th pass candidate, you can actually apply for CFP. There is no finance graduate degree that is required to do CFP. Now let us understand what is the academic structure of CFP. So there are total 6 modules, 5 exams, and the exam format is computer based exam. You have each exam which is 3 hours, and the final case study is 6 hours of case study. Now let us understand the course modules that are covered into it. First is introduction. Introduction has time value of money, goal based planning. Then risk and insurance has risk assessment and insurance types. What are the various different insurance types that are there, and what gets suited to the client? And the three broad categories of insurance, that is life, health, and general. Now let us talk about the third module, that is retirement planning. So building sustainable plans based on the needs of the client will be covered here. Then fourth module is investment planning. Under investment planning, you have asset classes and instruments. What are the various different instruments that are there? Risk return profile. Okay, how to do the profiling of the customer, whether that customer is a risk averse or risk taking investor. Based on that, how we can recommend him. And what are the various regulatory framework? Okay, what are the various regulations that are there on these products from SEBI and RBI? So module 5 is tax and asset planning. So if you come under this module, you have all the income tax rules and exemptions that are there. Then all the estate planning. that is there related to wills, nomination, and HUFs, those will be covered under tax and estate planning. There comes module 6, which covers advanced financial planning, which includes all the integrating components, client psychology, how to understand the psychology of the client, and real life case studies and simulations. Okay, so let us understand what is exam schedule. So in an year, there are twice per year exams will be there, and the months can vary between March, July, and November. Okay, so let us understand what is the course fee structure. So the course fees is 2 lakh rupees, which includes exam fee, training, and study material. At the same time, if you want to take some separate coachings and mock exams, the fee will be over and above this 2 lakh rupees.